Good morning, guys. Today we're just going to be doing a day in the life. So we're going to start with breakfast. We woke up probably about an hour ago. I did throw on a tiny bit of makeup, and then I think that's all I've done so far. And then we've just been sitting around playing a little bit. Now it's time for breakfast. So I'm just going to make pancakes for breakfast. Thank you. You want this? Pancakes. Is that what you want? So for fruit, I think we're gonna give him some strawberries and raspberries. I'm working on it. I think instead of having my coffee with my breakfast, I might just have it after and have a smoothie. I like to put spinach, which I don't have a lot left at all. So I'm not going to put a whole lot. Actually, I'm just going to use the rest. Pineapple, which I'm going to use the rest because there's not much at all. I like to add orange juice. This is organic, pure orange juice, cold pressed. I'm going to use the Stonyfield organic yogurt, whole milk. And I also added some water. Like my smoothies really thick. Yeah, that's good. So what I like to do is add some ice in my cup. And then pour my smoothie. So I will save the rest of this and probably just add it whenever I can, whenever I drink enough. Okay. Want a drink? It's yummy. Yep, it's ice. Green. It's green, yeah. We're gonna move to the living room. You can't have my phone. So we just got done eating. I'm gonna have to change him. But, nah. And let the dog out. But I think I'm gonna sit and play with him for a little bit while my phone charges, and I'll figure out what we're doing next. Can I help you? So while he is playing, I'm going to stuff and fold, put away diapers. just in case anyone is wondering, this is how I store the cloth diapers. Right now it's hanging on the back of the bathroom door. I'm eventually going to move it to his room when we get his room all ready. But I just have diapers in the bottom too. And then those are fleece liners. And then there's a water spray bottle because I plan on getting reusable wipes and I'll put them there. And those are just extra inserts. They're the microfiber ones that I don't really like and use. That's why I stuffed them all with the charcoal bamboo liners, the gray ones you saw. So yeah, this is where I keep all of our diapers. Hey guys, I think I'm probably gonna cut this video a little short. I didn't film a lot during the day. The kids, Ollie was being super clingy. Hold on, Dexter. He's over there having dinner now. I made these like black bean and chickpea patties the other day. And he's having that with corn and cheese. She was napping, so I haven't made her dinner yet. She just woke up, so now I need to figure out what I'm gonna make her for dinner. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And Ollie just threw his food. Bye.